Hi guys, it's Calwain Health TV, and today we will be dealing on this topic you have been asking about, and keep you going all day. Are you ready to feel unstoppable? We're diving into the world of superfoods, but not just any superfoods. We're talking about 5 surprising powerhouses that will torch that belly fat and keep your energy levels sky high all day long. So, ditch the sugary snacks and energy drinks that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. Get ready to feel the difference. First up, we're heading to the Andes Mountains of South America to uncover the power of maca root. This incredible superfood has been used for centuries to boost energy, stamina, and enhance athletic performance. Maca root is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Maca root gives your metabolism a serious kickstart, meaning you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. It's like having a little internal furnace burning away that stubborn fat, even when you're just relaxing. Maca root also helps to balance your hormones, which play a massive role in our overall health and well-being. Maca root helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack. So how can you incorporate this incredible superfood into your daily routine? It's simple. Maca root has a slightly nutty and caramel-like flavor that blends perfectly into smoothies. Just add a teaspoon to your favorite smoothie recipe for a delicious and energizing boost. Or, if you're a coffee lover, try adding a teaspoon of maca root powder to your morning cup of joe. Trust me, once you start incorporating maca root into your diet, you'll be amazed by the difference it makes. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of algae because our next superfood is spirulina, a true powerhouse for burning belly fat and enhancing overall health. Spirulina is known for its ability to boost your energy levels, making it perfect for those who lead an active lifestyle. Spirulina is not your average pond scum. This vibrant green superfood is bursting with nutrients, including protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function at its best. Spirulina is loaded with essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein, which play a crucial role in building and repairing muscle tissue. These amino acids are vital for muscle growth and recovery, especially after intense workouts. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. So by increasing your protein intake with spirulina, you're turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Adding spirulina to your diet can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. Spirulina is also a fantastic source of fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to keep things moving smoothly, preventing bloating and discomfort, and it also helps you feel fuller for longer. This means you'll be less likely to overeat, aiding in weight management. Spirulina's high fiber content is a key factor in maintaining a balanced diet. Spirulina is also a powerful detoxifier, packed with chlorophyll, a natural plant compound that helps to remove toxins from the body. Chlorophyll binds to toxins and heavy metals, aiding in their elimination from your system. When your body is overloaded with toxins, it can lead to inflammation and fat storage. Spirulina helps to flush out those toxins, reducing inflammation and supporting your body's natural detoxification process. This can result in clearer skin, better digestion, and an overall sense of well-being. Spirulina has a slightly earthy taste, but don't let that put you off. One of my favorite ways to enjoy spirulina is by adding a teaspoon to my morning smoothie. You can also add spirulina to water, juice, or even sprinkle it on top of salads. The versatility of spirulina makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Trust me, once you experience the incredible benefits of spirulina, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. So, why not give spirulina a try and see the difference it can make in your health and wellness journey? Let's talk about a superfood that's small in size but mighty in its belly fat-burning power: pumpkin seeds. These little wonders are not just for Halloween. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can help you shed those extra pounds. These little seeds are often overlooked, but they deserve a prime spot in your pantry. They are versatile, easy to incorporate into your diet, and packed with nutrients that support weight loss and overall health. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including fat burning. Magnesium is essential for muscle function, nerve function, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Magnesium helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which is key for keeping those cravings in check. When your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes that have you reaching for sugary snacks. When your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes that have you reaching for sugary snacks. This means you can maintain a more balanced diet and avoid the pitfalls of unhealthy eating habits. Magnesium helps to activate enzymes involved in energy production, igniting your metabolism and helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial if you're incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of zinc, essential for a healthy metabolism and hormone production. Zinc plays a vital role in protein synthesis and cell growth, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Pumpkin seeds are packed with healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. These fats are also beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Pumpkin seeds are a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight, leaving you feeling lighter and less puffy. This can be particularly helpful if you're prone to water retention or bloating. Toast a handful of pumpkin seeds in a dry pan until they're slightly browned and fragrant. Then sprinkle them with a pinch of sea salt for a delicious and satisfying treat. This simple preparation can enhance their flavor and make them a perfect snack. You can also add pumpkin seeds to your breakfast bowls, salads, or even blend them into smoothies for a boost of nutrition and flavor. They add a delightful crunch and a nutty taste that complements a variety of dishes. Trust me, these tiny seeds pack a massive punch. Incorporate them into your daily diet and experience the benefits of this incredible superfood. From boosting your metabolism to keeping you full and satisfied, pumpkin seeds are a small but mighty addition to your weight loss journey. Get ready to experience the power of matcha, the green tea that's taking the world by storm. This ancient Japanese tea has been a staple in traditional tea ceremonies for centuries, and now it's making waves globally for its remarkable health benefits. Matcha isn't just your average cup of tea. It's a vibrant green elixir with incredible health benefits, including boosting energy, sharpening focus, and burning belly fat. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is made from finely ground whole tea leaves, which means you're getting a more potent dose of nutrients. With matcha, you're consuming the entire tea leaf, rather than just steeping the leaves in water. This unique preparation method ensures that you receive a higher concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This means you're getting a much more concentrated dose of all the good stuff, including antioxidants, amino acids, and a special compound called EGCG. EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, is a type of catechin that has been extensively studied for its health-promoting properties. EGCG is a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It helps your body to break down fat more efficiently and can even prevent the formation of new fat cells. Studies have shown that people who consume matcha regularly burn more calories, even at rest. This makes it an excellent addition to any weight loss or fitness regimen. Matcha provides a calm, focused energy that's perfect for those who want to avoid the jitters and crashes that can come with coffee. The energy boost from matcha is more sustained and balanced thanks to its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine. Matcha contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental clarity. This compound helps to enhance your mood and improve cognitive function, making it easier to concentrate and stay focused. L-theanine works synergistically with the caffeine in matcha to provide a sustained energy boost without the anxiety or jitters. This makes matcha an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their mental performance and physical endurance. Simply whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with hot water until it's frothy. Then add your favorite milk and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. You can also get creative and add matcha to smoothies, baked goods, or even savory dishes for an extra health boost. Trust me, once you experience the energizing and fat-burning power of matcha, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Embrace the Zen way to a healthier, more focused you with matcha. Calling all chocolate lovers. Get ready to indulge in a guilt-free chocolate fix that not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also helps you burn belly-fat cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are the raw, unprocessed bits of the cacao bean, which is where chocolate comes from. Unlike processed chocolate, which is loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, cacao nibs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals. Cacao nibs help with belly fat burning through their impressive magnesium content. Magnesium is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels, preventing cravings, and keeping your energy levels stable. Cacao nibs also contain iron, essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. When your cells are properly oxygenated, they're able to function more efficiently, including burning fat for energy. Cacao nibs contain theobromine, a compound similar to caffeine but with a milder, more sustained effect. Theobromine can help to improve focus, alertness, and even enhance athletic performance. Cacao nibs are naturally low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a guilt-free treat that won't spike your blood sugar levels. You can add cacao nibs to trail mixes, yogurt bowls, or sprinkle them on top of smoothies for a crunchy, chocolatey twist. Trust me, once you try cacao nibs, you'll never look at chocolate the same way again. There you have it, team. 5 surprising superfoods that not only target that stubborn belly fat, but also keep you feeling energized and amazing all day long. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to your diet that add up to big results over time. Which of these superfoods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel Calwain Health TV for more awesome health and fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat.